And then allow your fingers to let go one by one. And then finally just let everything go. Okay? Hi everyone, this is Circuit Breaker Day 28. Let's stay simple and practice meditation. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a little simple technique of how you can offload the weights of your shoulders literally and feel more relaxed and lighter. So do you feel life is more simpler before the circuit breaker or right now? Well, share with us your thoughts by commenting in this video, okay? Well, I think life before the circuit breaker is definitely very complicated. We are all struggling every day for our livelihood, for success, for approvals, for recognition, for love, and for many things. And right now, life is actually pretty simple. Just stay at home. But even this is very complicated. What about work? What about business? What about school? What about freedom? So all our life seems like we've been carrying so much complexity over our shoulders. And if you feel you're dragging your feet every single day living this life, my dear friend, it's time to let go and keep it simple. So if you're ready to let everything go, join me right now in the next meditation exercise. Good. So if you have found your space and your cushion, just gently adjust yourself, maybe shift your hip and allow your tailbone to sink further deeper into the cushion. Good, and now I'd like you to gently close your eyes, face your palms upwards facing the sky. Take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. And just gradually ease into your natural breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Allow the air to flow in and flow out. Feel the gravity holding you down for this practice. Follow the rhythm of your breaths. Use your breath to draw the attention of your mind to come back home to this present moment, this present space. As we prepare our mind and our body for this practice, to let go of our worries and to keep our lives simple and happy. Great. You may open your eyes. Now I'd like you to just lift your hands up and allow your palms to hang around your neck and your shoulder area. If some of you is finding this position a little bit difficult, you can also choose to cross your hand this way. Alright? Good. So hang your hands around your neck and your shoulder area, just like you will hang a scarf around it or a tie. And now just gently close your eyes. So as you feel all these pressures of your thoughts and worries weighing you down one by one, let's take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. And acknowledge the presence of all these baggage that we have been carrying with us for a long time. Take another deep breath in and breathe out through your mouth. Honor these worries and thoughts that have come into our mind, but also acknowledging and informing them that in a moment's time, we are going to let all of them go one by one. So if you're ready, just take a deep breath in. Good. And as you breathe out, I want you to lift up your thumb away from your shoulder gently. Let's take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, I want you to lift up your second finger away from your shoulder. Good. Good. And let's take a deep breath in slowly and deeply. And as you exhale, lift up the third finger from your shoulder. Release them. Good. And now take another deep breath in. Lift up your fourth finger away from your shoulder, your neck. Good. And now we are left with the last little pinky that's still attached. Take a deep breath in. And now just let go of the last finger that's hanging on to your neck area. And now you just still have your palm that's attached to your shoulder and your neck. So take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just allow the entire palm and hand to flow down all the way to your laps. Palms facing up. And notice the lightness, the new sensation that you're feeling around your neck and your shoulder area. Welcome the new feeling of lightness, of freedom. Let's take one more deep breath in of joy. And breathe out lots and lots of joy, because all the baggage is gone. So now let's take a deep breath in to honor this practice. And now breathe out through your mouth to let everything go one last time. Good. So this is a simple technique. Just hold your palm and hands around your neck and your shoulder area, and then allow your fingers to let go one by one. And then finally just let everything go. Okay? So I hope you like today's technique, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take good care.